Audio Jungle.
2 million people will start receiving 20 billion naira monthly from June 2022, says the federal government. Hello everyone, you're welcome to the news. 2 million people will start receiving about 20 billion naira from June this year as basic cash transfers and conditional cash transfers under the National Cash Transfer Program, the federal government has said. It was gathered that the federal government will pay the 2 million naira monthly and 5,000 naira each will be given under the basic cash transfer, an additional 5,000 under the conditional transfer. This implies that the government will be spending 20 billion naira on the beneficiaries. A March 2022 document on the strategic roadmap and activities of the Federal Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development, obtained by our correspondent in Abuja, said Punch newspaper, shows that the number of people receiving cash transfers from the government had been increasing. The report stated that in 2018, a total of 19 states were covered under the National Cash Transfer Program, as this increased to 24 states in 2019 and moved up to 36 states and the Federal Capital Territory in 2022, covering 1.6 million people. But the Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development, Sadiya Farouk, stated in the document that the number would increase further in June. Under the Cash Transfer Program, the federal government will support the poor and vulnerable households with cash on a monthly basis. By June 2022, we will be paying 2 million people 5,000 naira basic allowance. This is conditioned to help them on good health seeking and behavioral school retention, social retention, good water and hygiene conditions in their environment and homes, she said. She explained that the ministry designed and piloted a shock responsive social register called the Rapid Response Register to capture urban poor informal workers who were daily wage earners working across towns and cities and impacted by the COVID-19 lockdown. The minister said, to date, of this 1 million targeted by the government, we have been able to pay the sum of 5,000 to 850,000 beneficiaries digitally through the Nigerian interbank settlement. The system, which helps for each account to be carefully validated by the system before payment. 150,000 will be paid by the end of April 2022. Each of these beneficiaries is receiving 6 months of support in cash. Under the National Social Register, the ministry stated that 46 million persons in the 36 states and FCT in 11 million households have been registered as of 2022. The ministry stated that the N-Power volunteer scheme provided temporary job opportunities for 498,602 graduates under batches A and B, while 450,000 graduates under batch C, stream 1 were also engaged. It added that 390,000 others were being onboarded for batch C, stream 2, and that there was presidential approval to enroll additional 1 million beneficiaries. It further stated in the document that 174 of the 1,850 mobile agents trained, kitted, and registered with the Central Bank of Nigeria Shared Agent Network Expansion Facility for Agency Banking achieved a transition volume of over 657 million naira between January 1st and March 25th, 2022. So this is what Madam Farouk has said about this. And, of course, reactions follow to say, where are we getting this money from? When we have this kind of money, why are we borrowing so much? And the truth is, people are not feeling this money. It doesn't make any sense. Because it's like you're mentioning money on top of the head of people. We don't know truly how many people are getting it. We don't know how accountable the process is. We don't understand the process of disbursement. And we are thinking, why should they say the money will be received by June 2022. Why should they say that? And they've claimed that they've given so many households the money. This is totally uncalled for. This is not a social welfare scheme. A social welfare scheme must be one that will be accessible by everybody, will be transparent, people will know the processes, and possibly, will know the criteria. Because in this kind of things, we know how things happen in Nigeria. How one household might double for 10, etc. So we are tired of the White Elephant Project. We want good governance. So we are asking Madam Farouk and the President of Nigeria to please do the needful. Nigerians' patience are running out. Hunger is striking really hard. Education is nothing to write home about. Insecurity is the order of the day in Nigeria. We don't want to hear White Elephant Project anymore, because it is very, very clear that this government has not done the right thing as far as Nigeria is concerned. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also drop your comments in the comment section below. Regardless of whatever is going on, like I always end, I'll say God bless Nigeria. Thank you once again. I'll see you in the next news. Bye for now.